Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start the next article of the chapter and it is types of salts. Basically, salts are of four types. First one is salt of strong acid and strong base. Salt of strong acid and strong base, for example, NaCl, sodium chloride. Whenever we dissociate in aqueous medium, it gives formation of Na plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. All of you know the dissociation of water. Water self-ionizes H2O liquid plus H2O liquid gives formation at equilibrium of H3O plus ions in the aqueous medium plus OH minus ions in the aqueous medium. Now this salt is known as salt of strong acid and strong base because whatever ions produced from that salt, ion Na plus aqueous and Cl minus aqueous, those two ions have tendency Na plus react with OH minus ions of water for the formation of Na plus react with OH minus ions for the formation of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, which is a strong base. And we know that hydronium ions means H plus ions present. So Cl minus react with protons H plus ions for the formation of HCl, which is known as a strong acid. Hence, this particular salt NaCl, sodium chloride, is known as salt of strong acid and strong base. As on dissociation in aqueous medium, the salt produces the ions which are responsible for the formation of strong acid and strong base, and therefore it is known as salt of strong acid and strong base. Okay. Next, second, in the same manner we can explain the second type also. Salt of strong acid and weak base. Means this salt contain strong acid and weak base combination, and the very well known example is ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Ammonium chloride NH4Cl in the aqueous medium dissociate for the formation of NH4 plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. NH4 plus ions react with hydroxyl ion for the formation of ammonium hydroxide and Cl minus ions for the formation of HCl. HCl is a strong acid and ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. So in same manner as we explained earlier for this example, same explanation for this also. Ammonium hydroxide form is a weak base, HCl is a strong acid. Therefore, this salt is known as salt of strong acid and weak base. Third example is salt of weak acid and strong base. Salt of weak acid and strong base means this particular salt will contain combination of weak acid and strong base. Let us consider for example CH3COONA, sodium acetate or sodium salt of acetic acid is the name of the compound in aqueous medium whenever dissociate gives formation of acetate ion CH3COO minus aqueous plus Na plus aqueous. Acetate ion on reacting with H plus ions forms acetic acid, and Na plus ions on reacting with OH minus ion forms NaOH. That means NaOH is a strong base while acetic acid is a weak acid, and therefore this particular salt is known as salt of weak acid and strong base. And definitely the last type you also can say, fourth type, salt of strong acid, strong base, strong acid, weak base, weak acid, strong base, and then the last type is salt of weak acid and weak base. Salt of weak acid and weak base means this salt is a combination of weak acid and weak base. Let us consider well-known example CH3COO NH4. The name of the salt is ammonium acetate or ammonium salt of acetic acid. In the aqueous medium, dissociate as CH3COO minus, again acetate ion which produces weak acid, and NH4 plus which produces NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide weak base. Hence it is a combination of salt of weak acid and weak base. Some other examples also you can say. For first, salt of strong acid and strong base, some another examples are Na2SO4, NaNO3, KCl, KNO3. Some more examples for this salt are Na2SO4, KCl, or potassium nitrate, KNO3. For second salt, you may say some another examples, salt of strong acid and weak base. One example is ammonium chloride, and the remaining examples you may say CuSO4, NH4NO3, CuCl2. CuCl2, copper chloride, CuSO4, that is copper sulfate, and third example is NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate, salt of strong acid and weak base, etc. For third salt, salt of weak acid and strong base, some another examples, you have to remember those examples. Let us consider, that is KCN, Na2CO3, potassium cyanide, KCN, and the second example is Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, salt of weak acid and strong base. And for fourth, salt of weak acid and weak base, let us consider some more example. We first considered as CH3COO NH4, and the second example is ammonium cyanide, NH4Cl. NH4Cl. Okay, let us explain the same concept with the help of one more example. अजून एका एक्झाम्पलच्या सहाय्याने आपण हे चारही टाइप पुन्हा एकदा समजून घेऊयात. हे जर समजले तरच आपल्याला पुढे बफर सोल्युशन समजणार आहे, आणि म्हणूनच हे सॉल्ट्सचे जे टाइप्स आहेत हे टाइप्स आपल्याला समजणं खूप गरजेचं आहे. आपण पुन्हा एखादं एक्झाम्पल घेऊयात. लेट अस कन्सिडर KCl किंवा KNO3 किंवा जो सॉल्ट आपण स्टडी केला तोच जर तयार करायचा असेल, या बाजूला आपण सॉल्ट पासून आयोनायझेशन कसं होतं त्यावर ना ऍसिड कोणतं बेस कोणतं ते आयडेंटिफाय केलं. आता नाव जे आहे त्या नावानुसार त्या त्या प्रकारचे ऍसिड्स कंबाईन करून ऍसिड आणि बेस काय तयार होतं ते बघूयात आपण. ऑल ऑफ यू नो द न्यूट्रलायझेशन रिएक्शन. न्यूट्रलायझेशन मीन्स acid plus base, formation of salt plus water. So let us consider a strong acid, HCl. HCl is a strong acid. Strong acid. Plus, let us consider strong base, NaOH. It is a strong base. When we combine both, neutralization reaction takes place for the formation of which salt? NaCl plus H2O. Therefore, NaCl is one of the example of salt of strong acid and strong base. For second type it is a salt of strong acid and weak base. So let us consider strong acid. Again, for example, strong acid is HCl plus strong base. Let us consider weak base. Let us consider NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, is a weak base. By their combination, again it is a neutralization reaction. Acid plus base, formation of salt plus water. Which kind of salt will form? NH4Cl, combine with each other for the formation of NH4Cl salt and plus water. Neutralization reaction. Therefore, NH4Cl is a salt of strong acid and weak base. Third type, salt of weak acid and strong base. Let us consider weak acid. Remember very well, CH3COOH, acetic acid, is a weak acid. Plus strong base, all of we know, NaOH is a strong base. Acid plus base, again formation of salt plus water, neutralization reaction, and therefore we get formation of CH3COO Na plus H2O. Hence this particular salt CH3COO Na is an example of weak acid and strong base. Hence it is known as salt of weak acid and strong base. Lastly, salt of weak acid and weak base. Again consider the same examples. Weak acid is acetic acid and weak base is ammonium hydroxide. Let us consider CH3COOH, acetic acid, is a weak acid, plus weak base ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, weak base. Acid plus base, neutralization reaction, formation of salt plus water. Which salt is formed? NH4 and CH3COO combined for the formation of CH3COONH4 plus water. Hence, this salt, ammonium acetate is a combination of weak acid and weak base. Therefore, it is known as salt of weak acid and weak base. All these are the extra examples for that particular salt. These are the examples of salt of strong acid and strong base. These are the examples of salt of strong acid and weak base. These are the examples of salt of weak acid and strong base. And this one is extra example for salt of weak acid and weak base. You have to remember the examples and the combinations. If you are unable to identify just by observing the salt which type of it is, then just remember which are the examples of strong acid, strong base, weak acid, weak base. Dissociate your salt either or combine the acid and base for the formation of that particular salt. Then you may come to know it is a type of which kind of salt. The article is very important as far as multiple choice question is concerned in CET or JEE or NEET exam. On this article, one of the question may be there. Okay, so this is about the types of salts. Now depending on these types of salts, we have to study the next important concept which is known as hydrolysis of salt. Very important concept known as hydrolysis of salt. Hydrolysis of salt, first of all we have to study the definition for hydrolysis.